Hi guys, it's Maggie again. Hello, my little weirdos. Um, this is not going to be a very long video. If it's your first time here, I am a relatively new reseller on the Poshmark app, so I just like to share as I go and see if it might help other people to hear what is working for me and what is not. And if you're back, many of you have been here before, hello and thank you very much. Please subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate it. Anyway, we'll just jump right into it. I today was doing some listing and it was from that haul that I showed you guys the other night. And I posted this top. You might remember it. Really cute little, I don't know. It's almost like Native American style. I don't know. Boho style. Super cute. But anyway, I posted it and just a little while later, within hours, I had posted it and listed it for 24. And somebody offered me 20 and I accepted and they paid the shipping. So it was just great. It just made me super happy. And I know for resellers who have been doing this for a super long time, that's not a big deal. It's a big deal to me because I'm new. So that's very exciting. I think it hopefully means that I'm making better choices and my sales will start coming more quickly because of the items that I'm picking up. Maybe are a little more high quality, and maybe I'm starting to learn a little bit more about what people want. Another thing I wanted to talk to you guys real quick about was, I think I told you that now and then I will sit down in the evening and just measure some things and jot it down in my notebook where I keep my inventory numbers and the descriptions of my inventory pieces. And so I had done that a little bit on the day after I did the haul video with you guys. And then last night I took a bunch of pictures of them and then my daughter just bagged them up and wrote the ID numbers on them and we put them away. And then today I did the thing with the notebook and the camera where I mean the notebook and the phone, and I would just drop the pictures into the app, write the description, all that, and then list it. And that's kind of nice. I don't know that I would want to do it all the time, but it is kind of nice because you can measure while you're watching a show and you can take a bunch of pictures, put stuff away and be done with that part of it. And then, and I've heard folks say, I know that over at the Poetry of Nice, it's a really great channel. You guys should check it out. She does that a lot. And when she's waiting in line to pick up her kids and different things like that, she'll be able to put listings on Poshmark. So there are lots of benefits to learning how to do it that way. And then tonight when I listed, I just did it the old fashioned way where I hang it up, take the pictures, measure it, write out the description, and I'm done. So I think for me, it kind of makes it easier to list if I do it a little bit differently now and then. So it kind of breaks it up a little. Anyway, I also wanted to tell you guys that the mess behind me, beep, 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 is minimized. It's not perfect, but today the kids helped me and we got it straightened out pretty well. It's never going to be pretty until I invest in nice containers and, a nice system. But for now, my totes are organized in here and you can walk through the room. You can use either of the doors to the room. And it looks a lot nicer, and it's nice to have our living room and dining room back to a place where people actually live, not just a reselling clothes factory. So anyway, I'm going to go to sleep, guys, and I hope you had a wonderful day, and I hope you have a great night and a good rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon. Please subscribe, and if you don't mind, leave a little note below, and I will respond. And if you have any questions at all, I don't know much yet, but if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them, and if I don't know the answers, I'll try to find them or, do the best I can. Thank you so much. Goodbye, my weirdos.